The first time I tried sailing the drone backward, I put the motor in reverse to the maximum and the boat overturned. In fact, it made a somersault over its back. As a result, it overturned and was floating upside down for a few minutes, and then I got my dinghy, sailed up to drone and picked it up. And meanwhile, some water got inside the electronics compartment because I left the hatch open. I didn't expect it to overturn. So I let it dry. As you can see in this photo, it is being dried for a few, like 15-20 minutes in the sun, and then I tried it again.